What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're going to be taking a look at Verasity and its recent price action, along with some talk about news and fundamentals and with a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. Before we begin, we'd just like to say thank you so much to everyone for their continued support, the likes and subscribers, Patreon and YouTube members, and all your amazing comments and sharing. We appreciate you all so much at the channel, and we've been growing incredibly fast recently, so thank you to all of you. Our community has been growing amazingly well recently. It's all down to you guys, so thank you so much. If you want to support the channel, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and turn on bell notifications as well. Also, if you're interested in even more info, we're offering Patreon and YouTube membership for coin calls and more in-depth research of altcoins with massive potential. All the links are in the description, and in any instance, you can sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So as we can see, a quick recap for Veracity's price action recently. It's fairly obvious to most people that the price action has been nothing short of amazing. It's since the start of the year, Verasity has performed exceptionally well. I believe it's up well over 100x. Let's just check the start of the year here. So I'm gonna have to zoom out. Zoom. There is a very large run up, as you can see how small the price action is down here compared to the top. So we've ran in a region of 29,000% since the start of the year to the all-time high, which is obviously absolutely insane. And this was basically off the back of bullish news about fundamentals for them acquiring their patent in the US for proof of view, which essentially means that they can verify views so people can't just buy views and get bots to do them. As we know, fake social proof is a very large issue in social media and YouTube, and has been for some time now. And this Verasity is one of the projects which is aiming to tackle this issue by essentially being able to verify views on the blockchain. And obviously blockchain is immutable, so they could actually prove that all the views are real, which is obviously a massive bonus for content creators. You want to monetize their content and not get bots watching their channel, or there's basically a bunch of utility that Verasity can provide, along with the obvious utility that they are providing, in which they are essentially giving content creators and streamers another way to monetize their content by being able to offer additional services and additional ways to reward content creators. Content creators can also offer NFTs now via Veracity's hub, which is obviously amazing. They could offer personalized NFTs and merchandise, etc., all through Verasity. And the roadmap says that they're most likely going to be offering even more utility in the future, which is obviously fantastic fundamentals wise. And as we can see, all these fundamentals were reflected in the price action this year, as it ran to around 5.5 cents at the very peak here, before wicking down. Let me just move this here. Before wicking down and having a large retracement because of the market-wide correction, as we can see. A very clear double bottom again, as with most cryptocurrencies. And then since then, the price action has been slow and steady to the upside. We've actually painted a bull flag here, which seemed to be being respected completely. And then yesterday, we got some decent news from the team, and the prices broke to the upside. So as we can see, there's been a clear breakout here, and we expect that this will be, it's a break of structure, and it seems very likely that the price action is going to move up in the future as a result. We're really bullish on it, Verasity, on this channel. We do think that it's going to be a project that performs exceptionally well this run, and we don't think a $1, $2, $3 Verasity is out of the question whatsoever. And depending on the pump that it can get in the next few months before the parabola at the final end of the run, we do think that Verasity could potentially be going absolutely parabolic, because this is a project that has actual use case, is already getting use, and it's in a sector which is very hot and growing, which is obviously the gaming and content creation and streaming spaces, which are all massive. We all know that YouTube and Twitch are huge platforms, and Verasity is already integrated with those, ready to go. So the more adoption that Verasity gets, we do think that this is a project that is going to explode in value. And with the market cap, I think it's currently at around 150 million. There is a massive amount of room for Verasity to grow, and we don't think that a 50 or 100x for Verasity from this point in the bull run is impossible. Obviously, it remains to be seen how it will perform, But we are very bullish on the price action of Verasity. And as we can see, when it moves incredibly fast. We can see that these runs here, very, very big. And we do think that this is probably going to continue to the upside very shortly. So as we can see, we've got the breakout on the technical analysis here. So we're waiting for a sort of a retest of this bull flag most likely. But it seems as though we may be forming some kind of bottom here in this large area of structure. And if that was the case, and this was a bottom, we could see the price bounce up and then head back up. If it can break past this recent high here of around 4.3 cents, we could move to the upside and retest this all-time high. I think we will bounce off this because it's not been retested for a month or so now. But if that's the case, in the next few weeks, we could bounce off this and then move to the upside again. And we do think that a short-term price target of around 10 to 20 or even 30 cents is not unreasonable. Because as we said, when Verasity moves, it moves incredibly fast. And we're now getting a confirmation that the price action is probably going to be moving to the upside again with this breakout of the bull flag that we've mentioned. So our short-term price target for Verasity, we would say 20 to 30 cents, which seems ridiculous when you look at this chart now. But as we said, we think Verasity is going to run very fast as the bull run continues. Because it's got a smaller market cap, it doesn't take as much money for it to grow and move. So it seems likely that this will continue to the upside very swiftly. And then our long-term price targets for the bull run, we do think Verasity is going to hit $1. It seems pretty nailed on in our opinion, considering what it's providing and how much it's ran previously in terms of the fractals of how it's performed in the past few months. It seems very likely to us that Verasity can easily hit $1. And then beyond that, we do think Verasity has the potential, if it gets a crazy pump in the next few months, it could even reach as high as $2, $3, maybe even $5, depending on how big the pump gets for Verasity. So that's our price prediction for Verasity today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're going to be offering a host of additional benefits, including coin calls, and the higher tiers gain one-to-one access to us personally, as well as a look at our personal portfolio, our daily research of cryptos with massive potential, not to mention a 100x portfolio that we're currently constructing as well. So please take advantage of that there. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by depositing $100 using the link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that. And they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 as well. Also make sure to hit the like button, as it helps the channel out immeasurably. So if you're a fan of the channel, please just go ahead and tap the like button now. Currently only 10% of viewers are subbed, and we'd love to see our community grow more. So please hit the big red subscribe button. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. We're really hoping to grow our community there, so please just go ahead and sign up to that. It's completely free and it would really, really help us out. I think it's going to be a really valuable resource in the future for everyone involved, so please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.